Hello and welcome to Knit 70. Another video, another great step toward increasing your knowledge about trading. So, what are you waiting for? Subscribe to this channel. Today's world talks a lot about how to get the most out of your money. You'll even hear the success stories of people who entered the online trading scene and made it big. It's what a growing number of households talk about. Trading courses online for success is becoming the next big thing. No matter what you trade in, you should follow and live by these 10 rules for successful trading. Let's begin. Number 1. A trading plan. Traders are advised to follow a trading plan and follow it to the dot. It's hard at times to fight our natural tendency to do things differently or break a part of the trading plan. Doing things that are not part of the plan is also the reason a lot of traders fail. Write a trading plan no matter how simple it is and stick with it. Number 2, continue learning. You can't stick to a single strategy all the time. Online trading trends change a lot. The more you are able to pick up and adapt to these changes, the better it is. Read the latest trends in trading and use what you've learned to make new strategies. Whether you get it from articles or from watching video courses or even when you read worthwhile social media comments, all these will help you build your knowledge. Number 3. Loss compound. Your trade plan should tell you when and where you will stop further losses. It should also map out when you have to stop trading. Markets may have changed and either your trading plan or how it was formed didn't go as well as expected. Don't hold on to a bad trade hoping that it'll be better in the future. Decide on a price where you must sell before the trade gets worse. Put something in place to mitigate risk. Number 4. One strategy at a time. Focus on a single strategy and know all its ins and outs before moving on to another. It is better to be the best in a single strategy than to be a jack of all trades and end up being average at several strategies at once. Number 5. No to emotions. This is the time where wealth building opportunities are abundant. This is also the time where you will make wrong trading decisions out of greed and fear. You may hold on to a small win in hopes of making it bigger and then watch the market turn and move against you. With that experience, you may hesitate and even worsen your losses. This leads to the next rule. Number 6, don't overtrade. Ideally, you should have no more than 5 positions at a time. Any more and you will likely lose control and make bad decisions when the market changes. Trying to beat the market often turns out bad, and you wouldn't want to be taking on more than you can handle. Number 7, create an exit strategy. This should always be included in your trading plan. Write down how you will get out of a winning or losing position. Staying on a trade for too long can lead to undesirable consequences. Obsessions normally bring negative outcomes. Sometimes improving your situation starts with taking a break. Number 8, don't chase the market. The market constantly moves in a spiral. Going after the market and trying to beat it turns out bad. Patience will reward you with a proper setup. You won't catch the market if you keep running after it. Stand still and let it embrace you. Number 9, be a focused trader. Always do your own research and analysis before venturing out in a trade. Taking tips from a friend or a broker without knowing what you're getting into leads to making bad decisions. It's better to not go out guessing what will happen next. Number 10, analyze but do more. Given all the information available to you, there are times when you are stuck in a corner spending too much time weighing out pros and cons. Many people analyze and overanalyze but never dive in. How will you know if you don't try? Setting up a system and continuing to make trades, even if they're small trades, will get you a better start. So, these are the 10 rules that every trader should live by, and so should you. What do you think about this video? Let us know in the comments section. And if you like this video, then don't forget to hit the thumbs up and subscribe to this channel. Hit the bell icon to get notified first. Thanks for watching. We'll see you in the next one with another informative topic.